Chair Mohammed Swazuri and several other officials of a land compensation scam for the Mombasa Southern bypass. We now cross over and listen to the statement being given by the EACC.
To MS Donato Carriers Limited relating to an amount of 109,769,363 Kenya shillings regarding land which is in Mombasa. Pursuant to Section 35 of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, on 9th of April this year, EACC submitted a report to the Director of Public Prosecutions on the result of investigations and making recommendations of charging of 22 persons. Upon review of the report by the Director of Public Prosecutions, he gave consent to charge suspects with various offences, among them conspiracy to commit crime, economic crime, and also charges related to money laundering. Today, the Commission has arrested the following suspects: Mohammed Abdallah Swazuri, former chairman NLC; Emma Njogu, former commissioner NLC; Thomas Chafangi, former CEO NLC; Salome Ludenyi Munupi, Director of Valuation and Taxation NLC; Francis Karimi Mugo, Director of Finance NLC; Catherine Wanjiru Chege, an advocate rating as Chege and Company Advocates; Samuel Rugongo Muturi is a businessman; Sostena Ogero Taracha is a businessman. They are suspects, persons the Commission is interested in and is asking them to report at Integrity Center immediately. The following are the said persons: Joas Uindo Mogambi, Lilian Savai Geverenge, Jane Wanjigu Kashigi, Kevin Uindo Mogambi, Eva Mary Washera, Michael George Onyango Olo, Geoffrey Rupiam Muritu, Shakil Hamed Khan, Nazir Hamed, Francis Kibaru Karanja, John Kamau Mwangi, Philip Kileya Seyanduki, Beta Wangiti Mutike. That's all.
How many do you have already that have
I did say we have 8. Yes. We are looking for 14 more persons whom we are interested with.
When are they expected to be presented in court?
As soon as we have gotten the people, we will take them to court. I think that's all for now. We will preview as we go along. Thank you very much. God bless you.
EACC giving an update there of the arrest of former National Lands Commission Chair Professor Mohammed Swazuri, together with others, in relation to allegations of irregular payment of compensation by the National Lands Commission to Tornado Carriers Limited for compulsory acquisition for land in Mombasa. Now, the land in question was acquired for the construction of the Mombasa Southern bypass and Kipevu New Highway Container Terminal Link Road in October 2013. This is a story that we're following up on. We'll be linking with